welcome to my channel, Thoughts with Trisha. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get the look from the first edition of Love in the Suburbs, Singlehood, A Life Less Documented. If you haven't already, go check out that video. And today I'm going to be showing you how to get the look from the video. You saw it, I saw it, so let's talk about it. Bam! Okay. I forgot my whole makeup routine. So first I'm going to go in with my Anastasia brow pomade. Y'all, I don't even know, but it's in the color Ebony. This is what it looks like. It comes with this little brush. Let's get into it. Always start off with doing my structure for the brow, the general structure, and then I'm gonna go in and clean it up with concealer. We're gonna go in with our Juvia's Place concealer in number 15. I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea what the name of the shade is, but it's number 15. It looks like this. Love Juvia's Place. Also, we're gonna use the same brush. I cleaned off the tip and I'm gonna like clean up my brows essentially with these two items. Let's get it. Baby, welcome to the party. I'm gonna learn. That's where I'm moving. That's where I'm moving. Baby, welcome to the party. And so now that our brows are done, honestly not my best work, I ain't even gonna lie, but we did it. Period. Anyway, so we're gonna take this Fix It MAC Prep and Prime spray and we're gonna spray that all over our face. Not my camera dying, child, but we're on to foundation. Or we just completed foundation. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my concealer, same Juvia's Place concealer, number 15, as I previously stated, and we're gonna highlight parts of our face. This is a little Morphe finger sponge thing. Okay, we had some technical difficulties. Let's just finish this. Okay. So essentially what we just did is we took this deep brown color on the outside. We have our this like bright shimmery white color on the lid, and then in the inner corner we have this like blue crystallized kind of moment. It's a little bit wild, but I kind of like that's what I was going for. And then I'm going to actually install some lashes. So I have these clusters that I like to buy from Zoe's QOQ. I don't know. This is the brand. This is what she's looking like. And I usually buy the kit whenever I buy a new one. So it comes with all of these clusters, and it comes with like glue, and it comes with a sealant, all by the same brand. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the glue, and this is better if you have like a mirror. I'm trying to show y'all. So I'm going to like scoop under my lashes. You don't really need like that much glue, But yeah, so I'm gonna scoop under my lashes, and then I'm gonna take the lash and we're gonna cup it right underneath. Boom, lashes on. I'm gonna add some lip gloss that I got here from Sephora. So much for tuning in today's video. This is the look from our Love in the Suburbs Singlehood, a Lifeless Documented episode 1, and we are ready to go to start filming today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Check out my Medium Writers page, Thoughts with Trisha, if you haven't already. Thank you so much for all your support yet again, and I can't wait to see y'all next week.